वेलकम फ्रेंड टू अवर प्रोग्राम सेलिब्रेशन ऑफ सक्सेस, जहां पर हम सेलिब्रिटी, सक्सेसफुल लोग, सब्जेक्ट एक्सपर्ट, डोमेन एक्सपर्ट, पीपल हु आर डूइंग गुड जॉब, उनसे बात करते हैं, उनसे सीखते हैं, उनसे मोटिवेशन भी लेते हैं। और आज हमारे साथ काफी सीनियर और नॉलेजेबल मिस्टर सीए मतलब चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट मिस्टर प्रदीप शाह जी हमारे साथ मौजूद है। प्रदीप शाह जी नमस्ते। वेलकम टू अवर प्रोग्राम। और हम प्रदीप जी स्ट्रेट बात पर आएंगे और आपका लाइफ जर्नी और आप क्या काम करते हैं उस पर बात करेंगे।
हाँ जी, I cleared my CA in 1999 and from that year I am into practice. I have been associated, I had an opportunity to work with many entrepreneurs from small and medium size, and I have seen their journey growing from a small company to considerably large company, from just 5-10 crore, 2 crore to 500,000 crore companies. So I have been a witness to their growth. I have been witness to their, upward journey. And I had been participating actively in establishing systems and processes in their companies. So that is how I have grown. Lot of things I am handling, compliances with regard to income tax, indirect tax, audits, internal audits, statutory audits, and other management related audits. So this is my forte, and this is what and the passion I have, ideas of investments, various different kinds of investments. So I also advise sometimes my client, whosoever wants my advice, how to invest, where to invest, and different sources of investments.
वेरी गुड प्रदीप जी, आपके बारे में जानकर अच्छा लगा। और मेरा एक सवाल है, जो बड़ी कंपनियां तो करती ही हैं और गवर्नमेंट भी उसको, सभी कंपनियों को उसके दायरे में ला रही है, लेकिन जो छोटी और मीडियम साइज कंपनी है वो ऑडिट करते भी नहीं है, ऑडिट समझते भी नहीं है, तो उनके लिए ऑडिट क्यों जरूरी है और उससे उनको क्या फायदा होगा?
Government is now relaxing lot of norms with regard to audit.
Okay, they are relaxing.
Rather, the audits are going out from many of the companies up to 10 crore of turnover. Even tax audit has been removed, where the companies are not corporate bodies. And very recently there was a discussion where NAFRA has said, which is a body for regulating the accounting performances and accounting aspects, reporting and other things, to remove the audit for small and medium company. So slowly from government side, it is getting removed. But what happens that, the burden of compliances are going to come on companies itself. That means they have to provide proper information, they have to compile things, they have to comply with a lot of regulations. And if they are unaware of it, or the verification does not happen, there are all possibilities that they may make lot of mistakes, which may cost huge. Even in case of GST, 6 years accounts are open for department to audit or verify or scrutinize. So in that case, if somebody's 3 years accounts are open for verification, scrutiny or audit, lot of things may come out which they might not have thought of. Because when you are busy in operations, you may not be aware of lot many things, technicalities, legalities, what are the intricacies, what are the changes which is happening, and if any errors have been happened, whether they will be able to identify those errors or not is again a question, big question, because they are busy into operations. So like, we have audits, different kind of audits, ISO audits, that is for certification, that is good for a company's benefit. So similarly, if you carry out financial audits or cost audits, that is beneficial for companies. Sir, your mic is on mute.
तो ऑडिट का फायदा ये है कि अगर कोई छोटी मोटी गलती भी रह गई हो तो आप उसको करेक्ट करके आपका ओपिनियन मिल जाएगा.
यस, एब्सोल्युटली.
या वेरी गुड. सर एक और बात मुझे पूछना था, आपने बात किया है इन्वेस्टमेंट का, तो पहला तो मैं एक सवाल मेरा यह है कि ये क्रिप्टो करेंसी का व्हाट इज द गोइंग टू हैपन एंड हाउ इट इज बेनिफिशियल टू एवरीबॉडी. एंड सेकंड जो आपका क्वेश्चन स्टेटमेंट था कि आप इन्वेस्टमेंट एवेन्यू पे बात करते हैं, तो उसके दोनों के बारे में बात करेंगे.
Sure. You must be aware, definitely information, there was a budget where finance minister had, specifically mentioned that cryptocurrencies will be taxed at 30%. Now, all the procedures and other things are yet to be formalized. Yet it is not, considered to be an asset, legal asset, because no law or regulations has been provided as such right now for cryptocurrencies. Now they have defined cryptocurrencies as crypto assets. So they are basically not an currency because they are not monitored or regulated by any government. Neither it has been issued by any government. So we have to understand that this is not a currency. Okay. World over, the currencies are issued by government. They are only the federal bank or central bank is only allowed to print the currencies or issue the currencies. Now, in case of, we already have digital currency in some way. Whatever transaction we do through bank, through APIs, Google Pay or certain such like apps. So what we are transferring is not the currencies. We are transferring digital currencies. There is no printed money or printed notes or coins or anything. So somewhere we are already into that line of thing. In budget, finance minister has come with, RBI will be bringing kind of digital currency, Indian currency. So crypto assets and currency are two different aspects. Now, till regulations are known very much, till things are more clear, it is unclear what is this crypto asset and how much useful it will be. Some of the companies or some of the countries are accepting as medium of exchange, but yet world over to become it acceptable, it is going to take a little bit more time. So there is one app called CryptoWire, where the company is providing a lot of information, education about crypto asset, and definitely this is something new. So even I have to learn about those aspects. So as of now, I am not investing in it. Neither I am suggesting anybody to invest, because there is a lot of fluctuations in the price. And even one asset has to have some characteristic. You should be able to touch it, feel it. You should be able to convert it into something. And it has to be legally acceptable tender. So these three things are, missing in this cryptocurrencies, crypto assets. And therefore, I am a bit, cautious about investing in this kind of asset. So would suggest that first person has to understand, because fluctuations, price, a single influencer person can bring down. Elon Musk, when he says, I have bought this through, Bitcoin, or I am accepting Bitcoin, the price of Bitcoin moves so high. Then when he says that I am now investing in this, then Bitcoin falls down. So all those things are happening. So as of now, one has to be cautious. With regard to investment revenues, from 2000, since 1998, if you see the rate of interest and other, fixed return instruments are slowly diminishing. Government has come out, and especially after that UTI scam, which had happened in US 64. So from that time onwards, even banks, earlier cooperative bank used to pay 14% to 18% rate of interest. Now they are not paying more than 8 to 9%. So over a period of time, if you see from 2000, that rate of interest is diminishing over a period of time. And when government says that we want to make this country 5 trillion economy in terms of GDP, definitely it cannot happen with very costly money. So interest rates are bound to go down and down over a period of time, the moment we achieve that target. So one has to find other avenues. Now, those avenues are either equity market. In equity market, you can invest directly or you can invest through mutual fund. There are many more ways of investing in equity market. The second aspect is investing in gold and silver. Definitely silver is more fluctuating like crypto assets. And one has to be very cautious while investing in silver. But gold, if you see, it has reached now 50,000 rupees. Just 3 years back, it was around 40,000. So that much, appreciation in gold has come. In 2000, it was around 4,000 rupees, and today it is 50,000. Just in 22 years, almost, how much times? 4,010, more than 15 times.
Okay.
So over a period of time, you will get the fruits. Investments are more like sowing a seed of mango tree. You cannot reap it before 10 years. Most of people invest in, equity or this kind of equity mainly. They invest, and if they have some need, they withdraw it. So my statement is that whenever you are investing in mutual fund, say through SIP, consider your SIP as your insurance for your retirement. And when you are buying insurance, you consider it as investment for your family. So this is what I say. This is what the statement I make, that consider your SIP as insurance premium for your retirement. And that will give you financial independence. And if you have financial independence, you can do whatever you want, the way you want to take your journey ahead, your career ahead.
वेरी गुड प्रदीप जी. तो एक मैं, आप सीए हैं तो एक सवाल पूछूंगा कि businesses are growing and businesses are happening and various other businesses are also happening. तो हम अकाउंटिंग को समझते हैं टैक्स भरने के लिए अकाउंट करना पड़ता है. तो ये अकाउंटिंग बराबर करने का फायदा क्या होगा बिजनेसमैन को?
See, lot of benefits are there. अकाउंटिंग करने के लिए लोग कर लेते हैं. अकाउंटिंग दो चीजों के लिए करते हैं, एक तो टैक्सेशन के लिए करते हैं और दूसरा बैंक फाइनेंस के लिए करते हैं. ये दो ही चीज इंपॉर्टेंट है जिसके लिए लोग अकाउंट मेंटेन करते हैं. अगर वो बोल दे कि अबे ये जरूरत नहीं है तो लोग अकाउंट बनाना छोड़ दो. बट you need to have some discipline. You need to understand accounting, and accounting has its own language and grammar. Most of the time, which I have seen that, for the purpose of taking, they have taken working capital limit from banks. Over a period of time, what happens that because of ups and downs, sometimes they, inflate the value of stocks. Now, sometimes it becomes to such an extent that any wise or, a person with common understanding would question that how can you have stock which is almost near to your turnover, yearly turnover.
Oh,
Now, these are the things which I have seen over a period of time. And whenever it has come to me for the audit purpose, I have identified and I have questioned them that why this is the thing. So they say that, okay, we were having, loan, and our accountant said that you have to show profit for the purpose that you should not have scrutiny notice, or you should not have issues from bank. We have shown higher stock in the books of accounts. Now that distorts your financial capabilities, financial true and fair view of the accounts, and also over a period of time you are going to face lot of issues, because even banks are going to question once it reaches, if your turnover and your stock is same, question bank will question that whether your stocks are moving or not moving. That means they are dead stock. So these are the aspects. This is one of the aspects. Then there are other aspects like costing is there. Accounts is not just preparing financial statement, but financial statement give you an view, overall view, bird's eye view, what is happening in the company. But when you go deeper into the questioning that why profits are not there, whereas management or promoter feels that there are lot of profit in the businesses, but they are not visible on the financial statement. Now they say that something is wrong in accounts. So then comes with going deeper into the aspects of accounting, that what is going wrong. So at that point of time, if you have costing system in place, you can, or if you implement your cost system, identify how the costs are allocated or how the costing is done. So that will bring out will open lot many layers where you are making either under costing or over costing. Everything comes out.
so it is like management decision making tool.
Yes, it is a management decision making tools.
थैंक यू प्रदीप जी, आप आए और आपने थोड़े से समय में काफी बातें बताई और अकाउंटिंग और ऑडिट का महत्व समझाया. थैंक यू वेरी मच. और आप इसी तरह से लोगों की सेवा करते रहें. इसी भावना से हम आपसे विदा लेते हैं. थैंक यू सो मच.
Thank you, Ajay ji, for calling on your channel, and definitely your channel provides lot of knowledge and education to people. I have seen the videos of other dignitaries who have come on your channel, and you are doing a very nice job. Please keep it